Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix products has inventory but shows as sold out or unavailable. Okay, well, I will walk you through some methods to fix this. First, go to product details and we need to check whether the inventory provider is set to outside. And also make sure the inventory quantity is sufficient. If the inventory shows as 0, you can simply update the quantity and that usually fixes the issue. And now we can see the inventory is already sufficient. Then the next thing we need to check is the product status. It's currently in draft status. You will need to change it to active and publish it to the sales channel. After that, refresh your storefront and see if the problem is resolved. If it's still not working, go to Settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click here on Shipping and Delivery. Under the General Shipping Rates, check whether the fulfillment location is set to outside, and add shipping rate. And have one important thing to know is that shipping settings are also affected by location. Like if your computer IP address is in Vietnam, but you've only set up shipping rates for the United States, the product will appear as sold out. However, if you open the store using a US IP address, it will display normally. Once that's done, go back to your storefront and refresh the page. You should see the product become available. Another thing that we can do is right here. Go to Edit the variant. So we have an inventory check toggle button. If you are a dropshipper or running a print-on-demand business, you won't really ever run into a situation where the inventory goes below 0 or where inventory needs to be checked. This is a lot more common for in-person businesses, right? But if you are just running an e-commerce business, we can simply turn off inventory checking. Once we do that, we also notice all of the inventory details are removed as well. And all of this comes from this little toggle right here. So if we click Save, then go back to our online store and refresh the page, we can now see that the Add to Cart button is here and the Buy Now button is here as well. And this is because there's no inventory being checked. And of course, if none of these methods work, feel free to send emails to our support team and we will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching.